DTD Auto would like to send greetings to all customers. Starting from Motoscan Tab 2.5, supports more new motorbike models, new functions, for ECM tuning. Smart key programming, Odo calibration, for new vehicles, and the benefits of multimedia connection, and display technology are very easy to use. In the previous videos, you have seen the powerful, advanced, and special features of Motoscan Tab 2.5. Today, DTD Auto would like to introduce an example of recovery and correct, and read the current ODO value of odometer and speedo dashboard on NVX 155 and Aerox 155, 2021 to 2023. This is a customer's NVX odometer dashboard, 2021 to 2023. That is defective, and cannot function normally. The customer said, it was due to loading data from cheap tools on the market, and it was defective. The customer's request is to repair and restore this speedometer dashboard, and reset the correct kilometer value to 1234 km according to the exact value of the motorbike, as before, to monitor the vehicle's periodic maintenance properly, with the manufacturer's regulations. Yes, it's so easy and simple to do with the Motoscan Tab 2.5. Please follow how to do it with Motoscan Tab 2.5 right now. On the screen, we select the ODO programming menu. Choose Yamaha. Aerox, 2021 to 2023. Now, we see there are three main functions in this section. Load original ODO data. Calibrate ODO standards. Read current ODO value. In case the odometer dashboard has data errors due to use from other cheap tools on the market. The first we need to do is load the original data into the dashboard EEPROM memory. Click to select the Load ODO Original Data request to disconnect the power supply to the odometer dashboard. After disconnecting the power, press the Continue button. Requires the use of an ODO02 connection cable to connect the odometer dashboard to the Motoscan tab. We can use a soldering iron, or use the PCB unsolder kit without soldering. We proceed to connect the watch to Motoscan tab. After connecting, we click the Continue button to let Motoscan tab write the original ODO data to the odometer dashboard. Well, the ODO original data reload was successful. Now, the odometer dashboard has been fixed and is working normally again. However, the customer requested to adjust the ODO to the vehicle's true value of 1234 km. Therefore, we need to calibrate the ODO value. Select Calibrate ODO Standard menu. Connection operations are ready. Click Continue button. Enter the ODO value as 1234. Click the Continue button. Motoscan tab is working. Please wait. Yes, the ODO correction has been completed. Now, we can press the Continue button. To let Motoscan tab read the ODO value, we just calibrated to quickly check the results immediately, without having to completely install the odometer on the vehicle. So, this convenient function avoids the situation where programming is not successful, and we may have to take it out and do it again, wasting time. Yes, the ODO value of 1234 km is correct as the value we calibrated. Now, we will plug in the power to check the operation of the speedometer and the newly set value. Yes, that's great, the watch is working again. The information on the ODO meter is displayed normally, and the correct ODO value is as required. So, you understand how to use Motoscan tab to rescue an ODO meter dashboard that has corrupted data inside, and set or calibrate the ODO value. You have seen very easy, safe, and fast operations in this new version of Motoscan Tab 2.5. There are many other new features, new, special, and advanced functions that are also supported in this version, which we will introduce in the next videos. Goodbye, and see you again.